as soon as you feel that the car doesn't want to move anymore, stop immediately. Because the longer you try on one space, on one certain position to get the car out, the deeper the car goes. And in a certain situation, the car is going to lie flat on its belly. And this causes that the tires cannot find any traction anymore, because the weight is not on the tires of the car, but it's lying on the belly or on the components of the car. Always stop immediately if you see that you're going to get stuck, or if you should be in the situation that your car is lying flat on its belly, then of course you must always try to get your car up again to get the weight back onto the tires. And for this situation, on some of our models, we do have high lift jacks, or you can even try to use your normal car jack, which is in the car, to start lifting up your car again, to get the weight back onto the tires. All right, this is a high lift jack. Our Land Cruiser models and our Hilux Safari models come equipped with these. If you need additionally one, you can always ask to hire one extra. But yeah, with the Land Cruiser, it's sitting there at the back. So you just need to take it off and bring it to the correct mounting points of your car. Very important also, in the car, in your toolbox, there's a wooden plank. Is needed to have a bit more of a stable support at the bottom for the high lift jack to work. Okay, so this bumper has connection points for the high lift jack here. So also make sure that always you really just put this high lift jack on the recommended lifting points, otherwise you could damage the car. All right, there's one lever. Show that. This lever you can either push down or lift it up, and this is gonna alternate the direction where you want to get the jack to go up or go down. Let's try this. All right, now also watch out your face. Really have both hands on the jack to secure it. As you can see, the car is lifting up, so the belly of the plate is now also being lifted up from the sand. New sand is going to go underneath the tire, so as soon as we drop it, the car won't lie on its belly anymore. Of course, it's important to lift the car up quite a bit. Yeah, the further you lift it up, the more sand comes underneath the tire. Or you can even use the situation to either then put your sand tracks or stones or maybe rubber mats underneath your tires to get them up and to get more traction onto the tire.